Here are some of the moments when people forgot they were live and did this. After thinking there was a spider in her pants, this Romanian TV presenter lifted her dress up in front of live TV. Latasha Grace's dress split by automatically unzipping when she attempted to dance for the audience. A random passerby goes to a reporter and kisses her on the cheeks on live transmission. A cameraman accidentally caught a reporter with an alleged adult toy when Sheila Dermajan handed over the segment. Kristen Bell slapped a drunk reporter who was being inappropriate with her.
Who's the boss in this?
At Graham Norton, Amanda Holden did one hell of a headstand in which the host had to cover her up. At Conan O'Brien, Nina Dorbaev attempted a headstand and used the host as the human yoga wall.
You said you do a lot of yoga.
I do.
And you actually said that you do, that you were going to show me a yoga move.
And I have to take off my shoes if I'm going to do this. And I need your help.
Okay. Oh, wow. No.
Okay. Alright.
You're such an idiot. I'm sorry.
Here we go.
Kristen Wiig made Seth Meyers uncomfortable by flirting with him while the cameras were rolling.
Well, it looks like, you started flirting already. Okay. Alright, I see what you're doing. Flattering me by listening to show. Rebecca, you're making me very uncomfortable. Rebecca, what are you doing? Rebecca, stop. Rebecca!
Well, I think Will Smith really forgot that the cameras were on, and, well, you know the rest.
Dana, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. Alright? Oh, wow! Wow! Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me.
Personal assistant gets inappropriate and licks the reporter's ear, but she doesn't seem pleased with it.
Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. Madison Brooks reporting on mic any sound. What the hell? Did you just lick my ear? Ew!
Interviewer didn't recognize she was talking to Mike Shinoda of Lincoln Park, who later got embarrassed.
How excited are you for the arcade premiere tonight?
I'm very excited. I'm a little bit of, I feel like I'm a little bit like a fish out of water in a sense. But I'm going to tell you.
You came up here, you didn't tell me your name, so I don't know.
My name is Mike Shinoda. I play in a band called Lincoln Park. She didn't know that. That's great. This is a great reaction.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. You're amazing.
Conan O'Brien got all flirty with Miranda Kerr and literally peeked down there.
You look fantastic.
Thank you.
Yes, you look so beautiful. That is an incredible dress.
We go with your time.
We go very well together. Yes, let's get closer, shall we?
Brendan Jordan went viral after dancing in a live broadcast on News Channel 8. A fan in the arena improperly touched Beyonce, and a shirtless guy tried to grab her. This Turkish reporter had no idea that he had a mushroom in his hand instead of a mic. This news reporter got soaked in a muddy puddle and started dropping cusses on live TV.
Thousands of things tagged.
While attempting a toe touch, the reporter's pants split off.
What's your pants, honey? I'm worried about your pants.
Sudanese health minister got bored of the interview, dozed off, and started snoring, all on live TV.
ما المتوقع من هذا الاجتماع؟ سيد مالك؟ سيد مالك هل تسمعني؟
The whole studio crew burst into laughter after realizing that the reporter was wearing boots on her hands.
Where are you? Boots on your hands. That's progressive.
This co-host and the chef crossed a line of professional boundaries, and that too on live TV. Ryan Seacrest had a mishap when he accidentally tried to high-five a blind guy.
I'm giving you a high five. Congratulations. There it is. And we will see you in Hollywood.
During Miss Amazonas 2015 coronation, the runner-up showed her jealousy by snatching and throwing the crown from the head of the winner. During an online TV interview, a reporter wearing no pants got exposed on live TV.
Yes, say initially the final leg of Prescription's journey.
In a fit of fury, Cristiano Ronaldo threw the reporter's mic into a lake. This show really forgot that it's live as they inappropriately swung around women, and one even had to cover herself up. Turns out the Oscars weren't the first time, as Will Smith has also slapped this reporter when he tried to kiss all over his face. The female presenter had to cover herself up when an overexcited man suddenly picked her up. And now let us move on to our subscriber pick of the day. This image was sent to us by a subscriber. Similarly, if you ever wish to know more about an image you come across, just send it to us. Who knows, we might even feature it in one of our videos. Today's subscriber's pick is a picture of a woman who appeared drunk on this program and started posing inappropriately on live TV. This is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. Do like and share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to not miss any of the upcoming amazing videos. Thank you once again.